How to change your location on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on YouTube app easy and fast. So first thing, go to YouTube. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your channel here and go down and click on the settings option. Now right here you will find many options. Just choose you have to search for general and click on it, sorry, and now go down and click on location. Now right here you can change your location easy and fast as you want. For example, I'm gonna choose United States and it's updated automatically. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.